Good morning students, welcome to Archivision YouTube channel, subject mathematics by Lakshmi. So today we are going to discuss with the last problem of the exercise 2.4 of the chapter polynomials. So in this class we have discussed with the first two sub-questions of the question, isn't it? Fifth question, isn't it? So today the last two sub-questions of the same question we are going to discuss, that is factorization of the cubic polynomial. So I have already told that how to find the factors for the cubic polynomials, isn't it? The same thing, first thing we have to find g of x factor, after that we have to go for the long division method, isn't it? So if you observe here the number part is 20, we have to take the factors of 20. So instead of going for 5 to 20, let's just check by taking x plus 1 or x minus 1. Suppose if we are getting 0 for either s minus 1 or s plus 1, that will be the factor for the given polynomial. So by trial method I have just taken x plus 1. So here x plus 1 is equals to 0. So 0 of the polynomial we have to take, right? So x plus 1 should be equals to 0. So x will becomes what? Minus 1. Now we have to substitute the value of x in the given cubic polynomial, that is in the p of x. So p of minus 1 will becomes minus 1 whole cube plus that same thing, the value of x I am going to substitute in the p of x. 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So if you are getting 0, then x plus 1 will be the factor of the given polynomial. We'll just check whether we will get 0 or not. So minus 1 whole cube we have already noted, that is minus 1, isn't it? So minus 1 whole square is what? Plus 1. Plus 1 into plus 13 is plus 13. So plus 32 into minus 1 is minus 32, isn't it? Minus 32 plus 20. The same thing. So if you observe here, minus 1 plus 32, 13 is what? Plus 30, plus 12, isn't it? Minus 1 plus 13 is plus 12. So plus 12 plus 20, or else you can go for either minus 1. So I have taken here minus 1 minus 32. We'll just go for the addition with minus 1, that is minus 33. In the same how plus 13 plus 20. So plus 33. However you will do, you will get 0 only. Either you can go for either minus 1 plus 13 is plus 12 plus 12 plus 20 is plus 32 minus 32, or else you can directly go for minus 1 minus 32 as well as plus 13 plus 20. You will get 0. So the g of x we have got here x plus 1. So now we have to do the long division method. Here divided in is what? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20, and divisor we have got x plus 1, isn't it? G of x is x plus 1. So now we have to divide p of x by x plus 1. So to get x cube, what is the term I have to multiply to x here? X cube by x, which is giving what? X square, right? So I have to take x square. So x square into x is x cube plus 1 into x square is x square. So we have to do the subtraction here. So if I am going to do subtraction, x cube and x cube will get cancelled. So 13x square minus x square will give 12x square, isn't it? So 12x square, it is plus 12x square. The next term I am taking down plus 32x plus 20. Now already x is dead. To cancel 12x square, what is the term I have to multiply? Plus 12x, isn't it? So 12 into x, which is giving 12x square, isn't it? Plus 12x into 1, which is giving plus 12x. So if we do subtraction, what we will get? 12x square will get cancelled. 32x minus 12x, which is giving 20x, isn't it? 20x plus 20. So already x is there. To get 20x, what is the term I have to multiply? 2x. Obviously it is plus 20, isn't it? So 20 into x is 20x plus 20 into 1 is 20. So if we do subtraction here, what we are going to get? 0. So students, just be careful. So before we have got 0 of the polynomial, isn't it? Here also we have to get 0. Then only we can get the quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation we have got is x square plus 12x plus 20. Again we have to find the factors of this equation, isn't it? Already we found that x plus 1. Still more 2 factors we'll get here. So let's check. So here the factor that is coefficient of x square as well as 20 should be multiplied, that is 20. We have to find the factors for 20. So 1 into 20, 2 into 10. So no need of going for the further, because here multiplication, the product of the two numbers should give 20 and the addition or subtraction should give 12. We came to know that 2 into 10 is 20, 2 plus 10 is 12, isn't it? How can you split here? X square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20, isn't it? So what is the term I can take common here? X. If I am taking x common, we'll get the factor x into x, x square. So x plus 2, x plus 2. So for the next thing, which are both are the multiples of 10, isn't it? 10 and 20 both are the multiples of 10. So I am taking 10 common. So if I am taking 10 common, 10 into 10x, it is x plus 10 to is 20. So the factors are here x plus 10, x plus 2, isn't it? So the factors we have got here x plus 10, x plus 2 as well as x plus 1. So these are the three factors we have got for the given cubic polynomial. Now we'll start with the next sub-question of the same question, that is the given cubic polynomial is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So here the variable is what? Y. So we'll just take in terms of y, either y plus 1 or y minus 1. So I'll just start with the y plus 1. So I'm just taking the 0 of the polynomial here. So y plus 1 is equals to 0. Y will becomes minus 1, isn't it? So now we'll substitute the value of y, that is minus 1, in the given cubic polynomial. So p of minus 1, we'll just find the value of p of minus 1. So obviously it will get 0, isn't it? We'll just check whether we'll get 0 or not. So p of minus 1, which is equals to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square, that is y square, minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 whole cube is what? Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, isn't it? That is minus 2 plus minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So plus 1 minus of minus will becomes plus 2, isn't it? Plus 2 minus 1. So if you observe, we can take minus 1 plus 2 will get cancelled, plus 1 minus 2 will get cancelled, or else minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. However you will take also will get 0, isn't it? So we got the p of minus 1, it is equals to 0. Therefore I can say y plus 1 is a factor, it is g of x. It is divisor of the given cubic polynomial. So now we'll just start with the long division method here. Here dividend is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, isn't it? So under divisor is y plus 1. So what is the term we have to multiply first? So to cancel 2y cube, what is the thing I have to multiply? That is 2y square, isn't it? 2y square into y will, which is given 2y cube. So 2y square plus 1, which will gives plus 2y square. So now we have to do subtraction. So 2y cube will get cancelled. So plus y square minus 2y square, which will gives minus y square, isn't it? Already since we are doing subtraction, y square minus 2y square it will give, isn't it? So we'll get minus y square. So minus y square, the next time I'll take down, that is minus 2y minus 1. So to get y square, what is the thing I have to multiply? That is minus y. Since I am having minus y square by y will gives minus 1. So minus y into y will gives minus y square. Minus into plus minus, y into 1 is y. So since we are doing subtraction, minus will becomes plus, isn't it? So y square minus y square plus y square will get cancelled. So minus 2y minus into minus will becomes plus, isn't it? Minus 2y minus of minus y will becomes plus y. That is minus 2y plus y, which is giving minus y. Are you getting? Minus y. It is y minus 2y, which is giving minus y. So I'll take the next term down. So again minus y by y, which is giving minus 1. So I have to take minus 1. Minus 1 into y minus y. So minus into plus minus 1. Minus 1. So all the terms are getting cancelled. So since we are doing subtraction, minus of minus y will becomes plus y. Minus y plus y will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 also will get cancelled, will give 0. So what is the quadratic equation we got here? That is 2y square minus y minus 1. So I have to multiply the number part, that is coefficient of y square as well as constant value 1. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So when we do this one product, we have to get minus 2, and subtraction addition we have to get minus 1. So what are the terms, what are the factors here? Minus 2 into 1, isn't it? Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Are you getting? Yes. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. How can we split here? 2y square minus, so minus 2y plus y we have to take, isn't it? So minus 1. So here what is the term I can take common? Y. Suppose if I am taking y common, what else will remain? 2y plus 1, isn't it? 2y plus so y into 1 is y, isn't it? Plus 1. So what is the next term I can take common? Minus 1. If I take minus 1 only, we will get 2y plus 1 factor, isn't it? So minus 1 I am taking common here. What else will remain inside the bracket? That is 2y plus 1. Since we got the same factor here, so the factors are y minus 1 into 2y plus 1, and one more is y plus 1, isn't it? 3 factors we got already. We found the first factor, it is y plus 1. Now we have got 2 more factors, that is y minus 1, 2y plus 1. So the next class will start with the next exercise. Students, till that, stay safe, stay home.